my goodness. Let me alone, go away. I got hiccups, man. Oh my goodness. I think they're gone. I think they're actually gone now. Oh god. This is so embarrassing. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is horrible.
You sound like a donkey.
Who is online? Nobody's online. Well, there are, but not people I talk to.
That could.
People. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so cold. I swear, every time I go to any of my friends, they don't have the house warm. Talk, Jade. Show yourself.
Hi.
Show yourself. Show yourself. Not me. This is so horrible.
I find it funny.
Oh my god. I'm not even doing this on purpose. This is actually Hiccups. Yeah. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm scared. Someone might write on the window like it did in Pretty Little
That was a
Lies.
mirror.
Oh yeah, the mirror. Then.
Oh.
How long is this gone for?
Until you stop hiccuping.
Yeah. Okay, wait. I'm gonna hold my breath. I think it's gone. I think it's... Oh.
Why doing that?
Doing what?
You get rid of, if you hold it down, you'll get rid of hiccups. Yeah.
Push it or go like that.
Remember?
You're just making me look like some fool. How the hell does... Oh. Oh, this is so horrible. No. So, what did you do in school today, Jade? You're not answering me.